When was the last time you heard someone say pickleball? Did you know that pickleball has become America's fastest growing sport? It's fun, affordable, and great exercise. But despite its popularity, many players have foot injuries that prevent them from continuing to play. My name is Dr. Andrew Schneider, and I'm a podiatrist in Houston, Texas. Most of these injuries involve the structures around the ankle and the foot. The good news is that most of these problems can easily be prevented with proper instruction and practice. In today's video, I'm going to discuss common injuries from pickleball and how to prevent them. But before I do, let others know about these videos. Please like, comment, hit the subscribe button, and share on social media. This will help others find the information they need. What is pickleball? The sport of pickleball has components of tennis, badminton, and ping pong. You use a paddle instead of a racket and play on a hard court surface. Pickleball is a fast-paced game where players hit balls back and forth over a net and across the court. Pickleball was invented in the 1960s. Where it originated is debatable. Some say it started at the University of Texas at Austin. Others say Seattle, Argentina, or Australia. Doesn't really matter. Today, pickleball is played around the world by thousands of enthusiasts who call themselves pickleballers. Pickleball is a great workout because it combines strength training along with cardio exercise. It requires quick footwork and agility. Players must be able to move quickly and react to unexpected situations. This makes pickleball especially challenging, but still fun, for older adults and children. Pickleball courts are available at many public facilities, including parks, community centers, and rec departments. Private leagues are also popular among pickleballers. Many communities offer free lessons or clinics to teach beginners how to play. Some clubs even host tournaments each month where teams compete for prize money. When playing pickleball, most players wear shoes made specifically for the sport. These usually have a thick sole, which provides extra traction over slippery surfaces. They also typically include shock-absorbing materials throughout the shoe to protect the feet during impact. The most common injuries sustained during pickleball include sprains, strains, fractures, and ligament tears. Sprains occur when muscles and tendons become overstretched. Strains happen when muscles and tendons tear. Ligaments are tough connective tissue that hold bones together. They can be torn when players land improperly or fall onto their feet. People who participate in pickleball often suffer from overuse injuries because of the repetitive nature of the sport. Overuse injuries result from repeated impact or microtrauma, repeated small injuries throughout the body. Overuse injuries typically produce pain, swelling, soreness, and stiffness. Common examples include stress fractures, tendinitis, plantar fasciitis, shin splints, and Achilles tendinitis. These are similar to injuries from other court sports, such as tennis. Plantar fasciitis is an inflammation of the thick band of tissue known as the plantar fascia. The plantar fascia runs along the bottom of the foot and connects the heel bone to the toes. Plantar fasciitis develops when the tissue becomes inflamed and causes pain and swelling on the bottom of the foot. Pain is commonly felt at the inside edge of the heel towards the arch. It can spread to the outer side of the foot or even to the top of the foot. Achilles tendinitis is inflammation of a layer of tissue called the Achilles tendon. The Achilles tendon attaches the calf muscle to the heel bone. Achilles tendinitis develops when the tendon becomes swollen and inflamed. Common signs include pain, tenderness, and stiffness in the back of the leg. Stress fractures are breaks in the long bones of the body, including the shin bone, fibula, and metatarsal bones. Most stress fractures occur in athletes who participate in sports that involve repeated, high-impact activity. Typically, a person experiences pain, tenderness, warmth, and swelling in the area of the fracture. Here are some tips for preventing future pickleball injuries. Wear proper footwear. Shoes should fit correctly and provide adequate traction. You should play in shoes designed for court sports. Running shoes can get hung up on the court and can cause sprains and other injuries. Take frequent breaks from physical activity. Walk slowly for a short time every hour or so. Stretch frequently throughout the day to prevent injury. Stretching exercises also prevent soreness and improve flexibility. And finally, see a podiatrist if your problem continues or worsens. What should you do if you sustain a serious injury while playing pickleball? First, stop playing and assess the situation. Next, seek medical care and ice the area to reduce swelling and pain. Finally, take some days off from pickleball and let the injury heal completely. There's no doubt that pickleball is fun, but there's also no doubt that picking up bad habits and getting injured can slow down the game and ruin your enjoyment. So protect yourself, keep active, and stay safe. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Please take a moment to like, comment, and share on social media. Be sure to hit subscribe so you won't miss another video. If you've sustained an injury from playing pickleball, don't wait to have it checked. Contact the office and we'll get you in for an immediate appointment. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.